Hey guys, what's up? I just want to give a quick shout out to our sponsor at italki.com. italki is a website where language learners can connect with real live native speaker teachers of the language that they're trying to learn. We actually have a really great buy one lesson, get one lesson free promo going on, so check the description box down below. It's super affordable and you can learn a new language from the comfort of your own home. Now, let's get on to the video.
Hey guys, so yeah, I know I wear this dress like every time we make a video. It's the easiest thing to throw on. We're actually gonna go to the puppy store. The puppy shop 갈 거지.
우리 커피숍 갈 겁니다.
I think this sounds bad because I know my current dog is still around, but I've got like puppy madness lately. 나 진짜 puppy 좀 미쳤어.
We are going to go to coffee shop.
Yeah. Right? 나 요즘은 샤르페이 puppy 나 진짜 사고 싶지.
너 너무 샤피 중독이야.
Yeah, and I held a Shar-Pei. If you guys saw my Instagram, I held a Shar-Pei at the pet store. Now I want to go back and I want to hold him. And Jay said I can go, but he's not there anymore. Someone bought him, so I just want to go look at the cute puppies and play with them. And that's it. We're not going to buy anything today. I still have my dog, but I definitely want a puppy at some point, soonish. 나 puppy 사고 싶은데. 오늘은 아니야. 오늘 말고. 없잖아. I don't know. 우리 돈 있을 때. Yeah, I can buy one. Okay, so anyway, we're gonna go to Taco Bell. I think Jay's been to Taco Bell like twice before.
I'm hungry.
He's hungry, so we're just gonna get a snack because we're gonna eat dinner at home, and then we're gonna go to the puppy store, right? Okay.
Let's go.
Alright.
안녕. 지금 커피숍 왔어. 커피숍 왔어요. 머리를 조금 더 쇼트게 하고 싶어서 좀 더 했는데 지금 너무 마음에 안 들어요. 머리 사이드 백 지금 너무 쇼트 때문에 너무 기분도 안 좋아 지금.
나 하지마 말했잖아. 너 listen 안 했어. I told him don't cut it. It was perfect before.
근데 지금은 좀 괜찮게 나오는 것 같은데.
That's because I dyed it. 나는 염색했잖아.
Thank you.
I dyed it so that it looks a little bit darker, but it's still like, I don't know, it was just better before. 괜찮아 지금. But 뒤에는 너 테이블 머리 같은
This is
거잖아.
very bright.
Light, yeah. It's really light.
Yeah.
Oh.
I don't like it.
He doesn't like it.
Yeah.
He doesn't like his hair. So you guys, don't make mean comments because he's sensitive. But we're gonna go into the puppy store and look at the puppies. I think Jay's scared that I'm gonna take one home. Okay, let's go. Cavapoo. Hi. I'm so sleepy. Oh, cute. Hi. Hi. 오빠 그거는 난 좀 뱉나. Okay, wait, little guy. Come here. No. Come here. Okay.
No.
No. Oh my gosh. Okay. 진짜 귀여워. Hi. Oh my god. Oh my god. Jake. 이게 좀 미쳤어. It's too fast. Okay, I think this is not the one. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I can't even play with him. Oh my gosh. Okay. Where are you going? Opa, okay. Oh no. 너 할 수 있어. Okay. Oh my gosh.
Stop.
Oh, he loves you. Oh my gosh. You're so cute. A little bit too much energy for me though. 내 신발 좀 broken했어. 놀고 싶어. 하루 동안 계속 박스 안에 있었어. 좀 놀아야지. You have to relax.
이거는 진짜 귀엽다.
진짜 귀여워. But I don't know, energy. Don't. Can you guys hear that parent laughing? Oh my god. Hey. Look at him, he's so cute. No focusing 했어서?
Yeah.
Okay. Say hi.
Hi.
Oh my god. 오빠 나 부자 좋아해. Oh my god. You're so cute. 오빠. 나 이거는 나 백 못하겠다. Oh my god, 나 사야지. 오빠 생각은 이렇게 좋아. 좋아하지. 내 생각 이 K 정도 오빠 스타일이야. Hi. Hi.
이것도 물컹물컹 두부 같아.
노래야지.
Just like it.
Hi.
두부.
Dubu. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. I like this one. He's so quiet.
What is the pup's name?
Dubu.
두부.
I like that name. Oh my god. 근데 오빠 나 first 커피 때문에 나 피곤해. 그 커피 진짜. 이제 유치원 학생도 같아. 그 정도는.
에이그.
Oh my gosh. I love him. Look at the face. 진짜 가깝게 해. 이 face 봐봐. 오빠, 너처럼. Little 오빠. Oh my god. What? Why are you biting your tail?
Don't do that.
Oh my gosh. It's Tubu.
두부 bye.
Bye. Bye, Tubu. Hey, bye, guy. Bye. Why does he hate me? Hello. Goodbye. Goodbye. Oh. Okay, guys. So the first dog we looked at, it made me never want to have a puppy. 그 첫 번째 받는 강아지가 나 피곤해. I'm tired. He like tore up my shoes, and his like my purse got stuck on him. He was like running around. He had he had puppy energy, and I think he'd been in the box the whole day, which is why I played with him for so long. But literally the second he started running around like that, I was like, that's not the one for me. But the bulldog, 오빠 bulldog.
하고 싶지.
I want the bulldog. You guys, I love Sharp. The last time I came, there was a Sharpei, and I wanted him, and then he sold the next day, which, you know, not like Jay would let me buy him, but and now I want the bulldog. No, bulldog,
No.
please.
못 삽니다.
Why? Don't. You guys, I want the bulldog. He was so cute.
Oh.
We named him Dubu. He's now mine.
We don't have money.
Why?
We don't have money. We don't have.
Somebody want to buy me a dog? Somebody buy me Dubu. I want either a Sharpei or an Old English Bulldog. Is that what it was? Yeah. I'm gonna be obsessed now. I'm about to go home and look at like all kinds of videos of bulldogs. Yeah. Okay. All right. Well, it's time to go home. It's time to Jay. Where are you going? Wait. Bye, guys. I'm sad. Please, Jay. No. Okay. Bye, guys.
Bye.
I can't eat it. Oh, I can't eat it. I'm sorry, guys. Oh, I can't eat that. Nope. Oh!